Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're looking at something that blends everyday style with futuristic technology. Xiaomi's new smart glasses are here, and they promise to make wearable tech more practical, more stylish, and more useful than ever. This isn't just a gadget for tech enthusiasts, designed to be something you can wear daily, blending into your routine while quietly enhancing it. We're going to take a closer look at how these glasses work, what makes them different, and whether they're worth adding to your life. At first glance, these don't scream technology. Xiaomi has clearly worked to make them look like normal eyewear. The frame is slim, with clean lines and a modern shape that could easily pass as a standard pair of glasses. The material feels light but solid, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. You can choose from a couple of colors, so they can match your personal style instead of looking like a one-size-fits-all gadget. Once you put them on, the comfort is immediately noticeable. They're balanced well, so they don't feel heavy on your nose or behind your ears, even after wearing them for hours. The weight distribution is important here, because these glasses pack in a lot of hardware without feeling bulky. The arms of the glasses are slightly thicker than normal, but they don't look out of place. This is where Xiaomi has hidden most of the tech, including the speakers, battery, and touch sensors. The lenses themselves are clear, but Xiaomi offers options for prescription lenses or tinted sunglasses. The real magic, though, is in the small display module built into the frame. This isn't like wearing a big VR headset, it's subtle, projecting a bright, sharp image onto the lens so only you can see it. The display can show navigation directions, notifications, call information, or even live translation text right in your field of view. The technology behind the display uses micro-LED projection, which means it's bright enough to see even outdoors in daylight. Text looks crisp, and colors are vivid when needed. The projection is positioned so it doesn't block your vision. It feels like the information is floating in the corner of your view. Ready whenever you glance at it. Performance is fast thanks to a custom processor designed for low power consumption. This makes interactions feel smooth, whether you're scrolling through notifications, switching modes, or activating the camera. The touch-sensitive areas on the side of the frame let you control most functions with simple swipes and taps. You can also use voice commands through the built-in microphone, which picks up speech clearly even in busy environments. The audio experience is another highlight. Instead of traditional earphones, the glasses use directional speakers built into the arms. This creates a personal listening zone. You can hear music, calls, or navigation prompts clearly, but people nearby hear very little. The sound is surprisingly full, with a nice balance between clarity and bass. It's not the same as wearing high-end headphones, but for something so small and open, it's impressive. Battery life is solid for a wearable of this size. Xiaomi says you can get a full day of typical use, and in practice, you can easily go from morning to night without running out of charge if you're using them moderately. Heavy features like the display and continuous music playback will reduce battery life, but charging is quick with the included magnetic cable. The camera on the Xiaomi Smart Glasses is tucked neatly into the front corner of the frame. It's discreet but powerful enough for quick photos or short videos. It's not meant to replace your phone camera, but it's perfect for capturing moments when your hands are full or when you want a first-person perspective. Privacy indicators light up when the camera is active, so people around you know it's recording. In real use, the glasses shine when you're on the move. Navigation is one of the most useful features. Directions appear right in your view, so you don't need to keep looking down at your phone. This is especially helpful when walking in unfamiliar areas or cycling. Notifications are also handy. You can see who's calling or texting without pulling out your phone. And you can reply to messages with quick voice commands. Live translation is another feature that stands out. If you're traveling, and someone speaks to you in a different language, the translated text appears right in front of your eyes. It's not perfect, but it's fast enough to help you follow along in most conversations. Connectivity is smooth. The glasses pair with your smartphone over Bluetooth, and the companion app gives you control over settings, updates, and additional features. You can customize what notifications appear, adjust audio levels, and even change the layout of the projected display. One of the things I appreciate most is how these glasses fit naturally into daily life. They're not constantly demanding your attention, they quietly wait until you need them. If you're working, they can show incoming messages without breaking your focus. If you're walking, they can guide you to your destination without making you stop and check your phone. Durability is good too. The glasses are splash resistant, so a bit of rain or sweat won't be a problem. The lenses have a protective coating to resist scratches, and the frame feels sturdy enough to survive occasional drops. Now, let's talk about price and value. The Xiaomi smart glasses aren't cheap, but they're far less expensive than some other high-profile smart glasses on the market. For the combination of design, display quality, audio, and smart features, they offer a good balance between technology and cost. If you're someone who likes the idea of staying connected without constantly looking at your phone, the value is clear. Pros include the stylish design, comfortable fit, bright display, useful navigation and translation features, good battery life, and discreet audio. Cons are that the camera isn't as sharp as a phone. Battery life drops quickly with heavy display use, and they rely on your smartphone for most advanced features. Final verdict. The Xiaomi smart glasses are one of the most practical wearable gadgets I've tried. They look good enough to wear every day, they're comfortable for long use, and they add genuinely useful features without feeling like a gimmick. They're not here to replace your phone, they're here to make it easier to use without constantly pulling it out. For a first step into smart eyewear, Xiaomi has delivered something that feels polished, capable, and ready for real life. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest tech. See you in the next one.